You don't step onto this yacht, you enter a different world, a floating city worth $500 million, built not just to travel the ocean but to dominate it. This isn't transportation, this is a statement. From the outside, the yacht already feels unreal, over 300 feet long, towering decks stacked like a modern skyscraper, clean, aggressive lines. It doesn't glide across the water, it owns it. When this mega yacht pulls into a harbor, everything else instantly looks small. But the real shock begins once you go inside. The moment you step onto the main deck, the first thing you notice is silence, not the absence of sound but control. Every vibration, every engine movement, every wave impact has been engineered away. It feels calmer than a luxury hotel suite, softer than a private jet cabin. This is where billionaires come to disappear. The main salon alone is larger than most luxury apartments. Floor-to-ceiling glass surrounds you on all sides, giving uninterrupted ocean views while advanced tinting adjusts automatically to sunlight. During the day, the room glows with natural light. At night, it transforms into a cinematic lounge with custom ambient lighting built into the walls, ceilings, and even the furniture. The materials here are not just expensive, they are rare, hand-selected marble from Italy, exotic woods that took decades to mature, custom metals finished by artisans who normally work on royal palaces. Nothing is off the shelf. Every surface exists because someone designed it specifically for this yacht. Move forward and you reach the formal dining area. This isn't a table, it's a centerpiece. A single slab of stone carved to seat up to 14 guests, surrounded by chairs that cost more than most cars. Above it hangs a one-of-kind chandelier designed to remain perfectly stable even in rough seas. You could cross the Atlantic while enjoying a fine dining experience that rivals the best restaurants in the world. And yes, there is a professional-grade kitchen on board, but it's not just one. There are multiple kitchens spread across the yacht, allowing chefs to serve guests discreetly on different decks. Michelin-level meals, fresh seafood prepared hours after being caught, private tastings, midnight cravings. Everything is possible when your kitchen moves with you. Now let's talk about the owner's suite, because calling it a bedroom doesn't even come close. The master suite occupies an entire private level. Not a room, a floor. You enter through a private corridor that isolates the owner completely from the rest of the yacht. Inside, you'll find a bedroom with panoramic ocean views, a private lounge, a study, and a spa-style bathroom finished entirely in marble and glass. The bed faces the open sea. Wake up surrounded by nothing but water and sky. No noise, no crowds, just horizon. The bathroom includes a full-sized soaking tub positioned against a window that can switch from transparent to frosted at the touch of a button. Dual rainfall showers, heated floors, custom mirrors with built-in displays showing weather, location, and even stock markets if you want to check your portfolio while brushing your teeth. And yes, there is a walk-in closet that feels more like a luxury boutique than storage. Guest accommodations are on another level entirely. Each guest cabin is designed like a 5-star hotel suite, complete with its own bathroom, entertainment system, and ocean view windows. No two cabins are identical. Each has a unique design theme, color palette, and layout. Guests don't feel like visitors, they feel like owners. Now let's step outside, because this yacht was designed to be lived on, not just admired. The upper deck features a massive infinity pool that appears to blend directly into the ocean. Swim while watching the sun set into the water. Lounge areas surround the pool with custom suns, shaded seating, and full bar service. Everything is positioned to block wind while maximizing views. There's also a private jacuzzi tucked into a more secluded area, perfect for late nights under the stars, heated water, soft lighting, absolute privacy. But the most jaw-dropping feature, the beach club. At the rear of the yacht, large sections of the hull fold down to create a private waterfront lounge just inches above the sea. This area includes suns, a full bar, showers, and direct access to the water. You don't jump into the ocean comes to you. Hidden within this area is the yacht's private gym and spa. Full fitness equipment, massage rooms, sauna, steam room. After a workout, you step directly into the sea or relax on deck with a cold drink. It's wellness at a level most people will never experience. Entertainment on board is on another scale. There's a private cinema with plush seating, surround sound, and a screen larger than most home theaters. Movie nights at sea, live sports with friends, gaming sessions with zero lag thanks to satellite internet systems that cost millions alone. And yes, this yacht has a helicopter pad, actually more than one. The helipad allows owners and guests to arrive or leave without ever stepping into a port. One moment you're in Monaco, minutes later, you're landing on a floating palace in the middle of the Mediterranean. Some versions even include a hangar that stores the helicopter inside the yacht itself. Below deck, things get even more impressive. This yacht carries a fleet of toys, high-speed tenders, jet skis, submarines capable of diving hundreds of feet below the surface. Imagine exploring underwater landscapes during the day, then dining under crystal chandeliers at night. That's normal here. Powering all of this is engineering brilliance. Massive engines capable of crossing oceans without stopping. Advanced stabilization systems that keep the yacht steady even in rough seas. State-of-the-art navigation, security, and monitoring systems operating 24/7. And speaking of security, this yacht is safer than most cities. Surveillance systems, controlled access points, private security teams, even safe rooms designed to protect guests in extreme situations. Total privacy, total control. Running a yacht like this requires a full-time crew of over 30 to 50 professionals. Captains, engineers, chefs, stewards, security, maintenance specialists. Every detail handled quietly and flawlessly. Guests rarely notice the crew, yet everything they want appears instantly. The cost doesn't stop at the purchase price. Annual maintenance alone can exceed $30 to $50 million. Fuel, crew salaries, port fees, insurance, upgrades. This yacht isn't for someone who is rich. It's for someone who operates at an entirely different financial level. So who owns yachts like this? Tech founders, hedge fund titans, royal families, people whose time is worth more than money. For them, this yacht isn't luxury, it's freedom, it's privacy, it's control over their environment wherever they go. No hotels, no airports, no schedules. Just wake up in a new country whenever you want. And here's the craziest part. For the people who own these yachts, this isn't even their most expensive asset. Let that sink in. As unbelievable as this yacht is, it represents something bigger than money. It represents the human desire to push boundaries, to create floating works of art, to turn imagination into reality, no matter the cost. Because at this level, luxury isn't about showing off. It's about never having to compromise. If you enjoyed stepping inside this insane world of floating luxury, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the most expensive, exclusive creations on the planet. Drop a comment below and tell me, would you live on a mega yacht like this? Or is it just too much? And don't forget to share this video with someone who loves extreme luxury as much as you do.